How to collaborate on Instagram after posting reel. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video I'm going to guide you on how you can collaborate on Instagram after posting a reel, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now, to basically collaborate on Instagram after posting a reel, the problem here is quite simple. Let's say you opened up Instagram, then you came to your profile page here, you happen to post a reel, but then you forgot to invite the original collaborator that you wanted to collaborate the reels with. But unfortunately, as you can see, if I tap the three dots option and if I go to the edit button, or even if I go to manage, I don't have the option to basically actually invite the collaborator again. So the maximum I can do is go to edit, I can go to tag people, and I can choose to tag a certain amount of people, but obviously I can't go ahead and then tag it. So unfortunately that is not possible so far as I'm making this video. Hopefully if in the future Instagram might come up with an update, you can go ahead and then do that. Until then, the best thing you can do is just choose to delete this, and once you delete it, you will be able to post a new one by inviting a collaborator. So this way you should be able to invite collaborator on Instagram after posting reels. Hope this video was helpful. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the end, and see you soon in the next video.